And welcome back to the Be Your Own Boss YouTube channel, where I show you how to get your own business started, make passive incomes, residual incomes, find routes, courier apps, anything to help you level up in life and get out the 9 to 5 rat race. I'm about that. And I'm back with another great independent contractor company for you guys to partner with. Be your own boss, make your own schedule, and making your own money using your own vehicles. You see the title, you see the thumbnail, Select Express Logistics. They're a national company that, moves furniture, outdoor equipment, basketball goals, anything that people order from large furniture stores, large box stores and need delivered. They own it. Here are some of the stores: Party Barn, Best Buy, Lowe's, Crate Barrel, Floor and Decor, Bloomingdale's. So this is not a medical courier, but more a large item courier services. And let's see what they say about the contractors. Contractors. Select Express Logistics is seeking independent contractors that can provide the following services: courier, furniture assembly, fitness goals, in-ground basketball goal install. Okay. So they are in all these states, pretty much. You guys always in Chicago, Midwest. Always saying y'all can't find anything. Here's another one. Here's some more goals and furniture that needs to be assembled, indoor, outdoor products, basketball hoops. So, they folk love their basketball in Chicago. So, they're going to do their thing. Jobs portal, what's that? Okay, there's something different. I don't need that. All right, so can't go back up. Let's do that. All right, so so they got Detroit, Franklin, Tennessee. Like I said, all over the country. Let's see some of the things they require. All right. So contractors must have adequately insured vehicles. I'm sure they'll let you know what type of insurance they require. Do not ask me. I do not know at this time. Type of work, maybe truck size. Must have an EIN number. So make sure you have your business established. This is not it can be a side hustle, but you definitely want to at least have your business set up with the state, get your EIN number, but you also can get an EIN number as a sole proprietorship. So you may not have to go through the state to register something. You can just, be a sole proprietorship, but definitely need an EIN to get started with these guys. Hand and power tools, have their own tools, committed, and the jobs require 2 people. So you must have a team. In order to be a boss, you got to have employees. So make sure you got somebody to help you if needed. Bowflex, home machines, furniture, shelves, gazebos, play sets. Anything you want needs to be put together at people's houses. They need you to do it. Really not my thing. So this is something I probably wouldn't sign up for. I'm trying to drop it off and go. But if you guys are handy, you got experience putting things together, you like that type of stuff, definitely it's going to be worth your time and money. And they asked me to drop something off and put it together. So I'm charging no less than $200 a trip. If that was me, I don't care if it's going around the corner. So yeah, check it out. Select Express Logistics. I'm gonna leave a link to the description down below. If you want to apply, go ahead, check it out. If you're already a member or have some job from Select, leave a comment down below. Even if you never work with them, it's your first time on this channel, leave a comment below. 1, 2, 3 helps the algorithm. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Helps me get out to a wider audience. We're in the tough times right now, so I'm trying to help everybody find extra sources of income. Even with gas prices going up, you want to raise your prices on these delivery contractors. Okay, guys? All right. Remember, be your own boss.